5 secrets for a productive home office. When it comes to making your home office more productive, you may be wondering just where you should start. Honestly, there is no right answer to making your home office a better space for you to work. Below are 5 secrets that you can use to make your home office more productive. 1. Organize everything. You will never be able to function at your full productivity levels when you are surrounded by clutter. This is why you need to take the time to organize your space. This will cut back on distractions, as well as the time it takes for you to search for things when you need them. 2. Introduce natural light. Although artificial light is great for lighting up a particularly dark room, it doesn't just have the same effect on your body as natural light does. Natural light helps the body wake up, stay awake, and feel more relaxed overall. So if you haven't already, open your curtains while you work, or consider moving your home office to a room that has a window, if your current one doesn't. 3. Adjust the noise. Noise can be distracting, whether it's your neighbor mowing their lawn first thing in the morning or the noises your partner is making as they also work from home downstairs. Try to minimize the noise in your workplace and consider working with headphones on. You can also listen to music or introduce some white noise, such as a fan, or block out background noise. 4. Minimize distractions. Working from home usually means there are more distractions around and no boss looking directly over your shoulder. It would help if you work to minimize your distractions. Shut off the TV, leave your phone outside the room, close the door, whatever it takes. 5. Be comfortable. If you're at home, so there is no reason to sit at an uncomfortable desk that you hate. Spend time purchasing a desk that is the right size and height for you. If sitting is uncomfortable, don't be afraid to take a look at a standing desk. When you need a break, don't be afraid to get up and pace. These are the benefits of having a home office, and you should embrace them. Making your home office a more productive place to work is no easy task, but if you employ some or all of the above secrets in your life, you may find that working from home isn't so bad after all.